Hey guys, it's me again. I've got a new knife review for you. It is. This is made by, I'm sure I'm pronouncing this right, Camillus. Camillus, New York. I actually found this model on the side of the road, so I'm not real familiar with it, but I like it so far. As you can see, it does have the exaggerated sheep's foot blade. I find this is really good for you got a label on a package or something and you have to score the package to get the label off without getting into the package. I find this is really good for that. That tip works really well. Also, with the sheep's foot blade, you've got a really good point coming down, and you've got a real good back section right here. This can be a pretty good slicer also. The main part of this blade right here is still thick enough that you can get it up underneath something and pull up, and it'll pretty well cut just about anything you need it to cut. The other blade on here is pretty well a multi-purpose blade. It does have a flat end right here, almost like a chisel, maybe a screwdriver. It does have a ground down section right here that has an edge on it. It also has a finger groove in it right here. I'm not exactly sure what that's for. I've not been able to find any research about it. And also, this blade also locks. See right here, this bronze piece sticking up right here? All you do is you simply push that forward and the blade snaps down. Now it's not on this side. This one doesn't have one. See? But this one does. So I can't push it down until I actuate that and lock it. From everything I've heard, Camillus made some military knives back in the 40s and 50s, I believe it was, for the U.S. Army. The construction of this thing, I mean, it's pretty solid. It is pinned. Got 3 pins on each side, as well as pinned right here. Now this handle material is just a fake plastic, made to look like wood. Nothing really fancy. It does have the lanyard ring on it, so you could attach a lanyard to it if you wanted to, or a string or something like that. I find this ride's really nice in the pocket. You just pull it out. You need it real fast, pull it out, bam, you've got it. Goes right back in. So again, this is the Camillus, however you pronounce it, I'm not sure. Made in New York, made in the USA. Thanks. Y'all have a good day.